To minimize the overall weight, I built this kayak cart, which weighs about 1 pound. In my junk box, I have a few inline skate wheels. I recycled the old PVC pipe assembly and built this mini kayak cart. It is simple and functional. It works well on the pavement. I purchased 4 lashings with plastic buckles. I was able to adjust and optimize the length of the lashings to make the assembly easier. I look a bit clumsy in this video because I kept repositioning myself so as not to block the camera. The seat I used in this video has a plastic buckle also, and this made the installation a few seconds faster. I can finish the assembly in 3.5 minutes. And this is where the mast is. In this example, the seat is configured for sailing. But for fishing or crabbing, I will have to rearrange the seat. This new configuration allows me to place a cooler behind the seat, and the front is cleared for the crab pot. Packing up the boat is very simple and easy. It took me about 2.5 minutes. The boat isn't that heavy and it's around 25 pounds. But it's nice to have a cart if I have to move the boat for a few hundred feet. If you find this video interesting, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks and bye bye.